Hey guys, so I wanted to show you this new Happy Planner storage tote, and this was actually one of the items that was available when they did their surprise summer refresh. And as soon as I saw it, I knew that I just had to have it. Like, it is gorgeous, it is so cute, it is simple, there's nothing on it. So no print, no bright colors, nothing like that. So of course it stole my heart right away, and I knew that I had to have this. And then this does say that it contains 3 removable dividers. So I love that, just in case you don't need all of the dividers. So right here it just gives you a step-by-step on how to kind of assemble it. So let's go ahead and get into this one. And I actually just checked the website just to get an idea of how much I paid for it, because I did not remember it. And it does cost $46.99, so it is a little bit pricey, but I was willing to pay for it just because I know I had purchased one of these at HomeGoods maybe a few months ago, and I absolutely love it. But as soon as I saw that the Happy Planner was having one of their own, I knew that I had to have it. And it is actually sold out at the moment as I am recording this, so do check back in case you do want one of your own. So I believe this one just kind of goes down like this. That way the base is solid. And then these little dividers. So it does come with 3, and you can assemble it however you would like. So I'm guessing that maybe this goes here, and then this one. I don't think that'll fit if I put it there. So maybe the other insert. Okay, so let's see. What about this one? Yeah, this one seems like it's going to fit. So yeah, just line it up, and that way you have created a divider here. And then there's another one. So this one, so let's see. I'm thinking maybe this one goes the other way like this, so then it lines up with the other one. Like this one could then go in here. There we go. So in here, and then we do have this smaller one, and I'm guessing that then this one would go in here as well. That way we have a lot of little compartments if that's what you choose to do, because you really don't need to add any of this, but it'll just be more sturdy, right? So this one, I believe, just needs to get down just a little bit. There we go, touching the floor. So there we go. Now you have a lot of compartments in here. So I do love that. And these are removable, so in case you don't need them, you don't have to use them. But I love this. That way it keeps things together. So now we've got it all assembled. It's ready to go. It's nice and sturdy. So let's kind of see what we could fit in here. So of course, if we're carrying this from, let's say, our planning area to the living room, we're going to need some of our planners, of course. So right in here, we could fit about 4 in here in case you use a lot of planners. So those could go there. And then, of course, we're going to need some sticker books. So actually, these 2 fit well right here. And if you needed to add more, you can always take this off and just add more here. So I love that. And then maybe you'll need your punch. So we could maybe fit that in here. Some scissors, so there's that one. And then what about if you needed more space? So let's get rid of this one. That's a little bit tricky to get these in and out. But now we have a little bit more room just in case we might want to add maybe like our paper trimmer, just in case we need that. And then what I was thinking of also doing, because maybe we want to use some pens or some markers or anything like that, we could add like a little one of these trays from IKEA, and this one could hold some of our pens. So let's add a few of them in here. Maybe we need that, some tweezers, our X-Acto knife. We can maybe put the scissors in here. So like, I love this. We have our planners, our paper trimmer, we have some pens, scissors, X-Acto knife, and then we also have our punch, and then we can do some stickers. So maybe even the punch could now go in here since we did remove that one. And how about we remove this one as well? Okay, there we go. So maybe we wanted to add some more stickers. So it's actually like the perfect size right here. So let's see, a lot of stickers fit in here. So that's always good. We have our planners, we have our pens and tools, our paper trimmer, our punch, and then some stickers. So I love this. It's nice and sturdy. The handles are so pretty. I love the color. So I'm excited about this one. I think the only thing that maybe it's missing is maybe some outer pockets, like around the bag, because I know some of the storage totes that I've seen, say on Amazon and stuff, they do have those pockets surrounding the tote, but at the same time, I love how clean this looks. So there's no pockets, there's nothing, it's just clear all the way around, and I actually do like that. So now I'm ready to go. And then this, it's nice and sturdy, so it's not going anywhere. So I do get the justification for the price. So it might seem a little bit pricey, but I think it's really well built, and I can't wait to start using this one and start transferring it back and forth between rooms, wherever I need to take everything along and plan, just in case I don't want to be in my office. I can always move around, and now I have somewhere to do it. So if you like this video, please consider subscribing, and don't forget to check me over on Instagram at stephanyhappilyplans. And I'll see you next time.